very simple experiment to demonstrate the generation of static electricity and its effect. Take styrofoam ball. Wrap it with aluminum foil. Make similar 5 to 6 balls. Now take a thick paper sheet. Fold it from all the 4 sides up. Now place the aluminium foil with the sheet. Take 4 wooden blocks and place it on all 4 edges. Plastic sheet resting on the wooden blocks. Rub the plastic sheet with a clean cotton cloth for a few seconds. Now place the styrofoam ball wrapped in aluminium foil and place it on the plastic sheet. To touch the ball with your finger. The ball is moving around. Now let's do it another way. Remove the plastic sheet. Place few styrofoam balls on the aluminium foil. Close it again with plastic sheet. Now try to touch any ball from above the sheet. The ball should roll and jump around the top of the lid. Rubbing cloth on plastic makes the sheet negatively charged. The styrofoam balls are neutral charge. When your hand touches the plastic, it removes the negative charge on the surface. With the charge gone, there is nothing attracting the balls to that spot anymore, so the balls will move here and there.